Hello, dear friends! Now you'll see a new selection of best car gadgets you must know about. All links to the accessories are in the description below the video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Number 15. Roger AB Thermoplastic Buffer. Number 14. Acaso Mirror Dash Camera. Number 13. Eambright Hydraulic Floor Jack. Dear friends, remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 12. Chico Kid Fit Zip 2-in-1. Number 11. New Portable Air Compressor Pump. Number 10. Xsprite LED Underbody Lighting Kit. Number 9. Tidal Mirror Anti-Scratch. Number 8. Vava Dashcam Night Vision. Number 7. Mate to Go Car Phone Holder. Dear friends, leave a comment which car gadgets you liked most. Number 6. Boss Audio Car DVD Player. Number 5. Elf Ant Car Steering Wheel Seat. Number 4. Astro Owl Cooler and Warmer.
Keep this in your bedroom or dorm to store skincare products at a nice, cool temperature. Or use it for medication or baby formula, the possibilities are endless. This cooler was designed with convenience in mind. Take it with you on road trips with the 12-volt plug. And even bring it to your hotel room thanks to the included wall outlet plug. This lightweight cooler features an environmentally friendly semiconductor chip, allowing for dual climate control. Quickly toggle between cooling beverages and keeping your lunch hot. The strong latch locks securely in place, and insulation ensures the cooler keeps cool or hot regardless of the outside temperature.
Number 3. Zento Heated Leather Car Seat. Number 2. Chemical Guy Super Shine Dressing.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys. There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the rivers, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place.
Number 1. Nightscape Dashcam.
With a large 2.4-inch LCD screen, simple setup means it's ready to go in 5 minutes or less. Once you start the car's engine, it begins recording, so it's ready to go when you are. Record exceptionally detailed footage in crystal clear 1080p, and with a 140-degree field of view, you can cover 3 lanes of traffic. High-quality Sony imaging sensor means you also capture colorful images with all the details. Minimize the potential for human error while driving with the Nightscape Dash camera. Wide dynamic range algorithm overcomes the issue of dimness and overexposure.
Dear friends, subscribe to my channel because in the future there will be a lot of new products. If you liked at least one of the gadgets, push like please. And leave a comment which of the car accessories you like the most. See you in the next video. Goodbye.